Have a 2014 Malibu here, and we're going to replace this broken side passenger seat plastic today. Easy peasy. Got the seat moved all the way forward. I'm around back right now, and you'll see a little circle, and behind that's going to be a screw that we need to remove. So we're going to carefully pry this little cover off, and then we're going to reach in there and remove that screw. This is a T20 Torx bit, and it comes out real easy, but it is a little hard to get things lined up and to get your bit on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cover off. This will get reused, so you don't want to break it. It should slide up. So as you can see, it's got these little clips on the back. You just pull up to remove that. We need to pull these off. They pull right off. You can use a flathead screwdriver to do this. I'm gonna use this because it's got a little wider base. But oops. You see, it just kind of clips on there. We gotta do that for this button as well. Pulled off. This comes up and out too. All right. Just clips for the rest of this. And pretty much the trick for everything is pulling up. Now we just need to remove these little harnesses. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this zip tie out. That frees that up a little better. I'm actually gonna leave this plugged in. That way I can kind of use the plug to start pulling these off, but you just bend all these ears back. Once you get that side out, you can do the same with the other side. One more back here to get. There we go. That's out. No need to unplug it. Same thing on the other side. Just kind of pull these tabs back with the flathead. Whoops, I just popped that side back in. There we go. And now this thing is completely off. And all we have to do is put the new one in. And as you can see, as easy as that came out, it's going to go in just as easily. And it's just a matter of snapping things back together in reverse order and putting that screw in last. I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping me by clicking the subscribe button? I appreciate you.